Okay, good morning DIY people there. Okay, I will just share to you my experience when to replace the lamp projector. These are the lamps from different models, Sony, Hitachi, and Panasonic. This is the lamp of Hitachi TW3003. Problem with the projector, it's suddenly turning off. When I check the lamp, I see dots inside and cloudy. So when I replace the lamp, now the projector are working fine. And first, you have the Sony VPL FW41. So when to replace the lamp? Okay, so before I will replace the lamp, I will check first the VGA cable connected to the computer or the HDMI connected to the computer. But if the display still not good, I need to check the lamp. So I just observe based on my experience when to replace the lamp. Okay, for example, this one, if you can see inside bubbles, it's time to replace the lamp. Bubbles or dotted inside. Okay, and another one is this one, same, dirty or cloudy inside. So same model, Sony. And this one, dirty, dotted, there's a dot inside. And this one, broken bulb. Okay, so we will another lamp. This is for the Hitachi CPX5022WN. Okay, same. There's a dots inside, and I will check with the other. This one, Hitachi CW. This is Hitachi CPW8255. Okay, cloudy inside. So it's like there's a fog inside. So it's time to replace the lamp. And this one, yeah, you can see cloudy or foggy. Okay, and another lamp, this one, there's a dots inside. If you will observe, the bulb is not clear anymore. You can see dots. So it's time to replace the lamp. And this one, this is the lamp of Sony C2280. So if you will check the bulb, there's a lot of dots inside. So it's time to replace. Same, a lot of dots inside. This one, a dirty or cloudy bulb. And this one is for the Panasonic projector, cloudy inside the bulb, and same, so cloudy. So if you can see the bulb has a dotted or a cloudy or a foggy or not clear anymore, so it's time to replace the lamp. Okay, so that's all.